It's gonna be interesting to see the difference between the iPhone XS, XR and 10 after updating to the latest iOS 16.4.1. In this comparison, we will be doing some heavy tests like PUBG game test, Free Fire, Asphalt 9 and video rendering. So without any further ado, this video is sponsored by iPhone iOS system repair application. If you are facing any kind of issues on your iOS device, such as if your iPhone is disabled, stuck it logo, in short, any problem related to your iOS device can be fixed with iPhone iOS repair software. It's very easy to use. You can fix 150 plus iOS problem with your fingertips. Even if you are not enjoying the iOS 16, you can simply downgrade your iPhone to iOS 15 with iPhone repairing application. Just simply download it from its official site, which I have already mentioned down below. Install it to your desktop, run the application. There are 150 plus of problem listed. Find yours and select the specific option. After that, connect your device to the desktop, follow the instructions and it will detect your iPhone and simply run the process and your device will be fixed within few minutes. The paid versions are also very affordable. You can get 1 year subscription at discounted price. If you are having any issues in your iPhone, simply install this at your desktop and fix your iPhone in few minutes. Now let's get back to work, starting with the boot up test, and here we go. And okay, the logos has appeared. The battery test would be uploaded as well by tomorrow of these iPhone models, which has a shocking result. If you are interested in that, then stay tuned for that. Well, okay, it's very impressive. The iPhone X was almost 2 seconds quicker against iPhone XR and XS while booting up. Now it should be clear, we are running on the latest iOS version. Everything is closed on the background and we are also connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's try some applications to find out the fastest one in 2023. Welcome back. We are done with the speed test comparison and let's come to the point. The iPhone XS and XR were performing very similar in most of the tests, such as PUBG video rendering in Asphalt 9, which was the heaviest test of this comparison, while the iPhone X was a bit slower to respond with almost 2 seconds of difference. So according to this test, if you are thinking to get to one for gaming, then instead of iPhone XS you should get the iPhone XR because of bigger display and good battery life, while for social users and camera lovers the iPhone XS would be the best option in 2023. The iPhone X is not gonna get the iOS 17 update, and also it's a bit risky nowadays in terms of battery life, but still I'm recommending the iPhone X for social users, while the gamers should definitely avoid this. So that's it. Let me know your opinions in the comment section right below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.